Hello viewer, in this video I will show the working of strings. So string is a data type used in a Python. Now let's create two strings. Suppose string 1, it is defined by Vardhan and string 2 is tutorial. Now if we want to perform concatenation using concatenation operation in two string, then we will write print s1 plus s2. Now two strings will be added, Vardhan tutorial. So this is for concatenation of true string using plus operator. Now if we want to append a string, then what we will do? Suppose we want to take a string from user, then we can write u is equal to input enter name, then we will write print and v is also a string. In v we have written a message, welcome to Vardhan tutorials. Welcome to Vardhan tutorial. Now if we want to print both, then we can write u, we will write hello, and this v will be added at the end. Hello, you, enter name, then welcome to Vardhan tutorial. Run. Enter name Harsh. Hello Harsh, welcome to Vardhan tutorial. So in this manner, string is appended using addition, or we can say concatenation of two strings. Now if we want to print string two times, then we will write print s1 into 3. Now this Vardhan will be printed 3 times. Comment. Vardhan tutorial, then Vardhan s1 into 3 times. So this is for repeating a string for any number of times. Now we write print s1 plus 10. Now in this case, this 10 is integer and this is string, so no addition will be performed. See, integer to string. Okay, error is there, type error, can concatenate string, so error is in this part. Now if we want to remove the error, then we will write typecast it into string 10. Now our string is typecasted. See, Vardhan 10, the string is added. Now string is also immutable in nature. Immutable means it value can't be updated. So if we want to access this A, then we will write print s and index value is 1, because it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So s1 means A will be printed. Now A will be printed. Run C. S1. A is our output. Okay. If we want to update its value, S1 is equal to Z. After this, print string. Now see, as string is immutable, its value of index 1, which is A, it can't be updated to Z. Run C. A string object does not support item assignment. Okay, because string is immutable in nature. So this concept is clear to everyone that we can add two strings, we can multiply it, we can add a string with a string, but we can't update a string because it is immutable. Immutables means no changes is allowed.